All right, folks, welcome back to our kitchen and welcome back to our channel. We got a little bit of Steelers Buccaneers preseason game going on right now, but I think that's okay to have that in the background, no big deal. We are going to make some cucumber tomato salad. This is nice and refreshing, fresh and clean. It is a good, healthy snack for summertime, springtime, or any time of the year. So we're going to need a cucumber and 2 tomatoes, some olive oil, apple cider vinegar, balsamic vinegar, and some honey. Not to mention our salt and pepper. So let's get all of this diced and sliced. We got those tomatoes all nice and diced. We're just going to add them right here into our bowl. Just plop them babies right on down in there. And then we're going to work on our cucumbers. Your cucumbers, you can keep the skin on or you can peel them. I'm going to go ahead and peel mine. You can actually add onions to this. We do not care for onions, so we're not going to add it, but it does give it a nice flavor. With the cucumbers, I like to take them in and cut them into nice thick slices and then quarter them. That way they're about the same size as the tomatoes. Got those all quartered up. I'm going to add them right on top. If you want to add your onions, now would be the good time to do it. You just want to dice them up nice and small and add them right on top of all of this. We're going to go in with a 1/4 cup of olive oil, 1/2 cup of balsamic vinegar, just a splash of apple cider vinegar. So that's about a tablespoon. And then we're going to go in with a 1.5 teaspoons of honey. Pepper to taste. This thing's a little slow sometimes, but it seems to be working pretty good today. Oh, and then I talked and it stopped. And then you want to make sure you go in with that salt, because what goes better with vinegar than a little bit of salt? It definitely helps offset that taste. Then we're going to stir it all up and put it in the fridge and let it get its flavors together. You don't have to use balsamic vinegar. I just like it. It's a little bit sweeter and tangier. You can use the apple cider vinegar. I don't suggest using white vinegar. But we're going to put this in the fridge and let it chill. This is a dark color. If you use the apple cider vinegar, it's a little bit of a prettier color. It keeps the green in the cucumbers. I like to eat this with a nice thick slice of homemade butter bread to dip out all those juices. Hope you enjoyed. Drop a comment down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on those notifications for the next time we're cooking up something good.